will never forget Honorable Nukwe. I hope that we are trying to foster what he has done. We will never forget him. We continue to give him the praises. We hope that other authorities of government will see this thing and that will take Liberia at heart. Instead of just say, I will do good to those that I know or those who are closer to me. So thank you so much.
All right. So, Honorable Quay, we also understand that you are one of the political advisor to the current uh, junior senator of River G County, Honorable Senator Bocha Sobe. So, what will also be a message to the Honorable Senator and that of the senior senator, Honorable Comley B. Wise?
It's a great thing if you see yourself represented. I think that is the image of the and the interest of the honorable Senate of this county. I'm a senior advisor of the honorable Sobe, and so I couldn't stay home and say let the people do it. So when I'm concerned, I know that honorable Sobe is concerned about it. I'm sending a message to him that he's represented and he's concerned. As we'll call him up, let his concern always be over here in his own place to see us, still remembering him.
Okay, Honorable Quay, again, we also want to get the side of your story about the county authority because this particular community is within River G County. And before we come to the county, we have the district, we have the Bepo Statutory District, and we understand that we have people who are responsible when it comes to the development of community roads and the construction of bridges, along the road leading to all communities of River G. And now, looking at this work, an individual businessman getting support from other friends, and in fact, somebody from Nigeria, Nigerian national, also interested being a part of this exercise. What does this bring to you as Edo, who people considered in Bepo as men who brought light to Jiken?
Well, I think what is responsible. In fact, there is an organ of the government that is responsible for road connections, connectivity, and that's public works. As we see things in this country, public work being almost like a consultant, and we don't see even the public work holding her own material. We will not continue to wait, but we are giving them a reminder that Jaytoken is Liberia also and needs to be connected. Our farm to market roads need to have this place considered. You will know that the other project that connected Puerto from Kawiken, that road project isolated the few minutes drive. Um, but we are still back here. We try to do our own thing, reminding government. But Jaytoken is not isolated. It's part of Liberia, and so it needs to be also be connected. In fact, this is a serious farming area where you see market people draw themselves with their pens and their buckets and other things and come every morning to pick up markets. So they will need to be connected. Indeed. So like you talk about the Nigerian, is it Obina?
This is Ake.
Okay, Ake. When you stay with people, there is a wise saying that say, do unto others as you want them to do unto you. These are people who live with us, they are business people. But his interest has been the way we hold fast to him. It is just not good to see anybody and isolate them. But we put them under our arms and we work together and we found a very great interest to join with NAD in order to help us connected and to build this bridge today. So we want to say a big thank you to even our foreign friends. Our foreign friends who really, Aki is an example. He's an example. He's standing right here. He's part of this bridge building today. But the fact has been, we don't want to molest people when they come around here and call them they are strangers, they couldn't do anything because everyone has a potential inside them. So we can see it. We may not have completely able to do all, but because we got friends like Ake, we got friends like Man, who have come to our aid, we're doing the physical work, but there are some other things that has to do with finance. and they try to put their hands on us. So we want to congratulate them. But again, it reminds us that we should be friendly with people instead of forcing with people and isolating them, humiliating them because you will tell them say you're not part of this place and whatnot. This is a global world. As I speak myself, my daughter is in Nigeria. So if you say you don't want somebody, somebody may not want your son or daughter somewhere. And so we appreciate them so much. I think what is encouraging them is that we hold fast to them and we take them part of our own body. That's what it is. God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. Quay. Before you give your parting statement, we also want to know your final statement to the president of this country, the president of the Republic of Liberia, President George Manneh Weah,
Okay.
and that of his co-workers, like the chief of protocol who always helping the people of River G, moving forward. I think as a few days ago you were invited where a presentation was done on the surgical light that was just installed at Bwepo Health Center to provide some surgical services at the Bwepo Health Center. So what would be your message to Honorable Finabono and that of the President of the Great Republic of Liberia?
Indeed, in a democratic country, where there was an election and somebody win, yeah, that's what your role may be.
You come first.
Whether you were an opposition, but a president is a president. I'm most congratulating. I'm impressed that he is the president of this nation. The few days in Abona we worked at the mansion was able to remember the people of Bwepo and provide a lot at the surgical room. All the material belonging there. I think that is the best way that government can help us. Because government has a reason to make our people to be happy, to bring smileness on the faces of our people. So again, I want to say this we want to appeal to municipal government, this government to see reason that development is extended on this far. So we appreciate it. We still need his effort. This piece of road needs to still be connected. It still needs to be connected. It was silent the other day, but I believe that this government is able to make it. The project to pick up from Dwecken to Jaytoken, I think is needed. So we still look up forward to him and we appreciate him for all the efforts he's been making. God bless you so much.
Thank you and welcome to the Voice of Bwepo Jaytoken. Okay, welcome to the Voice of Bwepo Jaytoken. We know your name to be Ake, but I want you to please tell us your full name.
Okay, my name
before the interview.
Ikechukwu Donatus, known as Akidona.
Akidona.
From Bobo Kaweke, District Number 1, Iwaji County.
Thank you. Mr. Ake Adona, commonly known as Adona. We see Akidona. We see you, participating in this reconstruction of Nejorplue Bridge in Bwepo Jaytoken. Why is the brain behind this exercise that is ongoing that you decided being a part of today?
Okay, the problem is the bridge has small problems, and we know that we all pass here. Bridge is sign of where everybody passes. You can pass there, your brother can pass there, your relative can pass there, your man, your friend. The people that take to be a family can pass there. So we decided to put hands together and build a bridge. For us that live there, we can always can come here for send and people to get our family and friends here too. So always bring car here to come for our consignment. So we decided to put hands together to make sure the bridge is fixed so that everybody can be passing freely.
Thank you very much. There are reasons of which we continue to be asking people what actually motivated you, because being a different national, dwelling within our district and want to see another part of the district being relieved from a road connection. So, we are very interested, and also not just supporting, but rather being part of the construction work. I saw, in fact, as As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, he has the how they call steel banner. Currently we are not using steel to build a bridge, but rather we're using the steel banner to also lift the old planks. Yeah, for the reconstruction. So, what actually motivated you, my brother? We know we are all African brothers, ECOWAS brother, where we have free movement in all ECOWAS states. And besides that, you have the energy today to be a part of this exercise. We want you to give us the motivational.
The main point is
Yeah.
that I'm not longer a stranger here. January 4th, 2022 will make me 12 years in Bible land.
Wow.
Resigning, leaving. I have my house here, I have my children here, I have my family here, I have my friends here. So I'm part of the people, and this is my family, this is my home now. So we have to do everything possible to make sure everybody is in a safe side. So in so doing, we make sure that anywhere we pass, so far Bebo district is concerned, we make sure we carry on development that will benefit everybody, not only you, but everybody that lives in Bebo land should benefit from all the development that we need to carry on.
Thank you, Akidona. We will forever remember you for your great work and the effort for our bridge today. I am a proud son of this soil, that is Bwebo Jaytoken, the only city that you can find electricity. Thank you and welcome.
Thank you.
Dua Bayo. Dua Bayo. Men Wegera. Dua Bayo. Now the work is ongoing. This is Chia, one of the Sapitomo members now holding the digger. Okay, at this present, we want to welcome the Honorable Township Commissioner of Jaytoken Township. Honorable Township Commissioner, we see a lot of people today on the Jaytoken Road constructing bridge. What is the secret behind this bridge construction today?
Which of the secret you want to find?
The secret is that it's very hard to see young people coming together with elderly people, doing things together. And today we are seeing people happy, youngsters using the digging. We see other people placing the logs over the bridge. I mean, it's something that highly commendable. So we want to know what is the secret behind this success story.
Thank you very much. For us, we as Jaytoken citizens, almost I can tell you that we are behind landline. The reason is that the first bridge, which is the River G, has been built by the honorable man, Mr. Joseph Koji. But now, looking at the little one here, I mean, it's a burden to us. We are citizens of this area here. And so we find it necessary, and we're already lucky by one of the men they call Lan. Lan is the one who actually behind this bridge because he brought his power source and he brought us manpower. And so this is why we ourselves have to embrace his effort. That's why we are here to join this day.
Okay, in an effort to butcher what Nat is doing, commonly known as Bob Jerry, what would be a message to the president and people of Liberia concerning this bridge?
We have a lot of messages to even put before the government. But because we are not alone, so this is why. But all our focus now is the little bit. And so we want to appeal to the government to somehow come to our aid to actually build this little bridge so that we'll be free from our market selling. Because this alone, when the water is overflowed, you cannot cross the main road because of the area.
Thank you very much. Then we want to move on to the Honorable Clenchy of. Is that the Wagon Clan? Oh, Jaytoken Clan. Okay, Honorable Clenchy of Jaytoken Clan. Honorable, you are welcome to the voice of Bwepo Jaytoken. We established this communication since last year, and today being the 8th day of September 2021. And we are seeing a lot of old and young people today on the Dwecken Jaytoken Road constructing bridge. And we understand that this bridge was constructed during the election 2017 by His Honorable Emmanuel Nikwe, who is the current junior senator of McGivy County. So what really the young and old people are doing today?
Thank you, Mr. Aaron, as we, the Jaytoken, we are happy today to be on this little creek. And this little creek has been giving us long time, every year, few years, to come here to renovate it. But hereafter, Mr. Now, our bridge is break down. Mr. Now bring his power saw with the help of the power saw man, and he cut the wood and split it. And today, we, the Jaytoken, we are happy to be on the tree here because why we want development. We are lacking of with development, but later time our children that are away, they bring us development, we must embrace it. So we are happy to be here to construct this bridge today.
Thank you, Honorable Clan Chief. We understand that your clan comprises of two communities, right? Bwepo Dwecken and that of Bwepo Jaytoken. And today, Bwepo Jaytoken being your dwelling community, and you as a clan chief, seeing you among the young men and old people working today. What you think is the message to your boss, the honorable superintendent of this statutory district, and that of the superintendent of River G, onward to the internal affairs minister and the president of the Republic of Liberia?
Thank you. First of all, our Jefferson Water is the chief capital in Global Jaytoken. So I brought my other worker to build the bridge here. And my message it goes down to the district superintendent, the county, and the minister, including the president. We have recommend that they should see reason to come in our aid to bring cover or to cover the suffering of our citizens. So we are appealing to them to come in our aid to help the citizens to bring people to the little creek to whole state, breaking the state from far up to the side of the water. All of the time, we recommend that the government should see reason to bring cover and end the settlement.
Thank you very much. And also, it was nice talking with you as clan chief of Jaytoken Clan. You're welcome. Honorable Chief Philip, welcome to the voice of Bwepo Jaytoken. This is the Bwepo Jaytoken Media Center that gave information here and there to the world. You know, people were looking, the people of Jaytoken. There's a great city. We decided to establish this particular media section to support, give information to the people of Liberia and the international world. Today, seeing you as one of the your generation mate, your name.
Of rapper.
What happened? Okay, thank you. What
Rapper
happened?
generation.
Seeing you here today, controlling the young people of this town. We want to know what actually is the brain behind this success story today.
Mr. Chair, thank you for your interview. Yeah, you hear me?
I get you.
We, the generation of rapper, from day one, we like development. Yeah, I think one of my men, Jay Patricia told in America there.
Sure,
Jay Patricia told we love, development. During the war time, we all were correct in Jaytoken
sure,
because of development. Some animosity used to go among us. People that are poor, when we talk about development, they say the people they doing this thing, they overlooking. But we say we are not overlooking. What has to be done, let it do. So, Jay Patricia, who dead, he and myself, at the same time, they came here myself to the conference center of Jaytoken. We were calling certain lady, your double, the témoin. So on get in the conference center, the people say the two person they need they call it it's a mean that they abusing word. So we apologize to them. Right there, with love respect. We can respect our older people. So right there, you must say the lady for you must say now in America there is your double. Your double. Now when you call me when we talking, the first word will la on day. What would the story say? We forget about it. So Mr. Reason, thank you for your interview. Yeah,
thank you.
we love development. As we hear, we make sure they preach while they put in care of the rapper generation. Will make it possible.
Thank you.
First of all, I will extend gratitude to our people overseas for their concern.